So, you got the new DJI OSMO Action camera, but you don't have a clue on how to start with it. Well, these 5 simple tips will allow you to get going with the new DJI OSMO Action. Welcome back, I am Mauro and today I will get you going with your new DJI OSMO Action camera. And don't forget to check out my links in the description, I made a lot of useful videos for your new action camera. The first tip that I would advise you is to keep the ISO as low as possible. Putting the value ISO max for daylight shooting at ISO 100. When things get darker, I would advise to never use more than ISO 800. You'll get too grainy footage and somehow unusable footage with a lot of grain in it. I would not recommend the ISO 1600 and ISO 3200 because this is a tiny sensor and it's not meant to be a low light powerhouse. The second thing is that your DJI OSMO Action has a quick switch button. You have the possibility to program your most used filming or photo modes to give them a quick access. First of all, select your desired type of filming and settings. I like to film in 4K 24 frames per second with a rock steady on, ISO max 100, auto white balance and de-warp on. Swipe down and select the custom modes. Save the current configuration to C1 and press OK. Then you go to the settings button, quick switch and toggle the C1 mode created. Now when you press the quick switch button, the custom mode will appear first in the quick menu settings option. You can actually make 5 custom modes to your desired settings and recall them via the quick switch button. The third great thing is that you can actually switch from front to back screen in 3 ways. Holding the quick switch button, double tapping with 2 fingers the back screen, and also you can voice activate it. Screen switch, screen switch. The fourth tip is actually using the rock-steady image stabilization and get near close gimbal shots, only applying a little catwalk. The rock-steady image stabilization works really well, and yes, I was just holding it in my hands doing the reveal shots. The fifth tip is that you can actually power the DJI OSMO Action via a standard USB-C cable and film indefinitely. Or actually film out the maximum capacity of your SD card without worrying about battery. And yes, you can have it powered on even without battery. That's it guys, 5 simple steps to start rocking with your DJI OSMO Action. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.